Yo, famous glory, ay, famous glory. Let's get it. I think that I got a mad. See me and my glow, they not liking my bag. They hate to see money talk. Came straight from the bottom, I started with rags. My money be different than niggas. I'm not your typical nigga. I'm not your average, See me, I be different than niggas. Cubans are gone, yellow canary, chandeliers all on my wrist. New Panamera, just took off the top so I could just flex on a bitch. I spun a check on my wrist, I spun a check on my kicks. You must be retarded, you think I just started. Bitch, I'm a vid with this shit. I walk in the club with a tip. Ayy, pussy nigga won't flex. Let a pussy nigga look. Ayy, pussy nigga get stretched. This shit ain't up for debate. Might come through slide and shoot up the weight. I'm not your average, don't play. Niggas be talking at 12 for the jakes. Pussy try to hit me with cakes. These rats just out here running a race. I ain't tripping, I know I'm on straight. Book me a lawyer, just throw out the case. Must forgot the motto out here. What happened to code, not solid out here? They just not believing these gangsters no more. I'm curious what happened to pressure and fear. I see niggas with gang talk tryna be hard. I heard with gang walk. Come through slide in the unmarked car. Hit him up, put him up, park, scar. I'm off the scene, I'm gone. I don't know what happened to folks. Read the line say he got smoke. He was out here putting out all that low. Some niggas pulled up, heard they got scope. Heard they got hit with like 2 or 3 posts. Don't blame that shit on me. The info I got, I just saw on TV. Fast forward, then I repeat. Slow mo, bang bang like Chief Keef. He got hit with that heat, COVID-19. I heard they placed his ass 6 feet. Hey, niggas not having it, ayy. They betraying their life, nigga not with it, nigga just acting, ayy. Posted on all black, when I'm masked. Till they said, where your mask at? He a fish, get it done, don't come back a casket, ayy. Shit not having it, betraying their life, ayy. Niggas just acting, ayy. Posted on all black, almost when I'm masked. Till they said, where your mask at? He a fish, get it done, don't come back unless it's to show us a casket, ayy. I think that I got a mad. See me and my glow not liking my bag. They hate to see money talk. Came straight from the bottom, I started with rags. My money be different than niggas. I'm not your typical nigga. I'm not your average, See me, I be different than niggas. Cubans are gone, yellow canary, chandeliers all on my wrist. New Panamera just took off the top so I could just flex on the bitch. I spun a check on my wrist, I spun a check on my kicks. You must be retarded, you think I just started. Bitch, I'm a vid with this shit, let's get it. Hey, famous glory, niggas. Yeah, fucking rock, thinking this joke out here. Fucking coming, nigga. KK21, some slight, nigga. This shit in effect, nigga. Put that game in effect, nigga. Niggas like I'm doing the most, nigga, getting away with this shit. What the world coming to, nigga? Hey, they setting shit up, knocking them down. Hey, like bowling, nigga, you know. Come with this bitch rolling like boat. He'll obviously score. Pack his ass, we blowing, let's get it, nigga.